Hello everyone, in this channel I will try to enhance your experience with creative, unique and exceptional techniques which no one has ever brought in existence before. This is a year clock, or you can say anniversary clock, and I will try to catch fireflies in this. You will see how I am catching the fireflies. For this project you need micro string lights, and the lights LEDs are fixed on the wire, so you can buy it from Dollarama or Walmart, anywhere. It's very easily available in the market, and it works like this. If you turn on, you can see the lights look like this. So once I will fix this one in the anniversary clock, it will show the impression like there is a firefly trapped in the glass. So it looks like this. And also you need a copper strip, and make sure you have to remove any copper oxidation or any enamel with the blade. And you need transparent wire. It should be like 5-6 feet long. Then you have to make the drill hole on the surface. The purpose of making these holes are to run through the transparent wire from under the ground of the anniversary clock. After getting through the wire from the holes, now I have to strip the wires. Now I am going to make a connection with the base point. Now I am soldering the copper strip with the wire. After soldering the copper strip, now I have to fix it on the base of the clock. Once you stick on the ground, it looks like this. Make sure the copper strip is not crossing the bend or crossing the line of the glass fitting, otherwise it will look awkward. So in order to keep it discreet, make sure it is almost inside the bend where the glass surface or glass corners are sitting. And from down under the cover you have to use hot glue to make the wires solid, so they will not dismantle the soldering with couple of movement. After gluing the cable and make it solid with the surface or with the ground, now the crucial part, the most important part is how to fix the micro string lights in the glass. And now I have to wrap around the light string on the cover, on the glass, in order to size it correctly, because I have to fix it inside in the inner core, not outside. Okay fellows, after wrapping the lights on the outer side, now I fixed it in the inner side of the capsule, and you can see now it's inside, and I taped it. And the connections I build over here, plus and minus. So make sure you have to properly remove the insulation from the string, from the light string. So it looks like this, plus and minus, and the tape is so discreet that you can hardly notice that the tape is sticking, because the tape is transparent. So it goes all the way here and it finished over here. That's it. So the points are going to sit on the copper strap. You can see it's very easily and smoothly. It's sitting over there, and the connections are well made. From the front, it's over there. The whole part front, the face of clock is free from the. Okay, as it is done, and it looks very nice, and I'm turning on the lights. It looks like the fireflies are trapped in the clock. So this anniversary clock movement was very famous in its time when it was made, and still it is very popular. The people who like this kind of movements. And thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe.